Hey, what's going on out there, people? Today, man, we got something crazy for you. See that? Right there. See it? Yeah, man, I had just bought picked these up tonight, man. So we about to unbox these things, and then we're gonna see exactly how to work them. This is the case. This is what it look like. This is the case. It's kind of nice. It's the case that will come in. I don't know if you can see it or whatever, but it's the case that will come in, and then we got this thing in here. It's like a QRL code that you gotta scan for it. That's what it looked like when you open them. Why is it glowing? I kind of like that. Alright. Wow. I wonder why it's glowing. Like these. Like these. Okay. Then they got the so what you gotta do is in order for you to activate them or whatever, you gotta go to this QRL code, and once you go to this QRL code, it's going Alright, so what you're gonna do is when you wanna activate them or whatever, you're gonna go right here to this QRL code that it gives you the inside, and then you're gonna activate the glasses or whatever the case may be. And once you activate the glasses, you gotta put in all your information. Then once you activate the glasses, it's gonna look like this. And the inside is gonna blink like this. See that, how it's blinking blue? It's gonna blink blue to let you know exactly if you set it up or not. Oh, these is nice. The ones that I got, they clear in the inside, and then when you go outside, they turn dark. They turn dark black tint. I don't know how to use them, but I'm trying to figure them out. So, yeah, man, that's the Ray-Ban Metas, man. That's what they look like. So, I'm trying to figure them out, how to work them. Once I figure them out how to work them, man, I'm gonna come back. And I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna wear these for like, I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna do like an everyday life. I'm gonna wear them for 30 days straight to see if I like them or not. You know, just to get a feel of them, see how I feel about them. So, yeah, man, that's all we got.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta go do daddy jobs, man. But we gonna get back at y'all, man. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna figure it out. I need to see how to work these things. But we out of here, man. Let's go.